Hello and welcome to our channel. This tutorial is designed for everyone from complete beginners to professionals without using any complicated jargon. We are going to explain what Microsoft Excel is in simple terms. If you ever wanted to become an Excel pro and create reports, you are on the right track. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to work with Excel like a pro, and there are two key reasons for that. Point 1, we'll start with very basics of Excel using real data examples to cover most of the important features. We'll go from basic formulas to advanced one, explore filters and subtotals, dive into Power Queries, work with tables and name manager, create pivot tables, design charts, build financial reports, and even create dashboards. Point 2 will also teach you keyboard shortcuts that can significantly speed up your Excel work. Instead of just listing shortcuts, we'll use them as we go along. Learning shortcuts in context can be a great way to remember them. This tutorial won't be just one long video. Instead, it will be broken into smaller clips, each covering a specific area of Excel. This way, if you ever get stuck or need help with a particular topic, you can easily find the right clip in our playlist. I'll update the full tutorial in one piece once this tutorial is complete, just in case. While we aim to cover a wide range of Excel topics, we cannot cover everything in a single video. For example, we won't dive too deep into Power Query or teach you how to use VBA. These are complex subjects that require their own dedicated tutorials, which we'll cover separately. So without further ado, let's get started with the next video in this tutorial series. If you find our videos helpful, please give them a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and don't forget to save this playlist link in the description so you can stay updated with new videos as we add them. See you in the next video, and thank you for joining us.